barbecue.
Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to NewbieQ Backyard Barbecue and Grilling. I'm your host Jazz and I am here to make your life better. Tonight we're cooking something a little bit different. We're gonna cook some Parmesan chicken. Just making it for dinner tonight. If you've noticed, some things are changing around here. I am trying to work on a different background. As you notice, that you can see in the camera the lines. This wall was horribly done. The drywall is just absolutely terrible. I mean, it's just like you can feel everything. So it doesn't look the greatest, but it's better than what it was. I mean, let's be honest, it was better than what it was. So, well, that's not good. That light just quit. All right, anyway, like I said, we're gonna do some Parmesan chicken. We're going to get this chicken here. We're gonna take it out. We're gonna put it in an egg, a little egg wash. Just break up these eggs, make a little egg wash. We're gonna do a little bit of, this is Parmesan. We got Italian seasoning, some garlic powder. We're gonna mix that up. We're gonna put all the chicken in here and then we're gonna throw it on the smoker. Oh, and I almost forgot, if you hear some weird noise, kind of weird background noise, my fans are running here in the garage. They are running. Oh, that one's not running. That one's running. But it's pretty hot and steamy today, so but you got the fans going. So anyway, I just want to clear that up so nobody's like, why does your audio sound weird? Well, it's the fans. This microphone picks up the fans. I promise you that's all it is. So anyway, let's get to cooking. So real quick, got them done. Oh, I gotta fly. Fly, get off there. Get off there. All right. So real quick, we're gonna go ahead and throw these suckers on. I said about 4:19, but I want to do this before my neighbor comes back with his mower. So let's do this. All right, here we go. I'm gonna throw them on. Alright guys, let's do a quick update. Also, my neighbor is still mowing, so I apologize. It never fails when I try to do a video, something happens. Something goes wrong. So anyway, I want to check these. Ooh, they look pretty good though. They do look pretty good. Let's check them out. Oh, these are done. I'm pretty sure these are all done. Ooh, they cook real fast. Yep, they're done. They're way doner than I wanted them to be. Okay, we're gonna take them off and then we're going to put the sauce on it and some mozzarella on it. I will say, doing this on the grill, they cooked way faster than I thought they would. But it's okay. Everything's fine. Everything's good. Everything's grand. We're going to cover it with some Prego fresh mushroom, and then cover it with this. We actually have this is finely shredded Italian style cheese. It's basically just mozzarella, Parmesan, provolone, whatever. Doesn't matter. Mozzarella will work. But that's what we're gonna do now. So let's get to it. Alright, let's take them and throw them back on. Alright, here we go. Let's check them out. Oh, look at that. Goodness, this looks fantastic. Alright, let's get them off there. Alright, and take a quick couple pictures of these, and then I'm gonna go eat these suckers. Alright guys, thank you for watching this week's episode of NewBQ Backyard Barbecue and Grilling. I know it wasn't a fantastic episode. I'm trying, guys. I really am. I'm trying to get this stuff done. Trying to work a day job. Trying to work a weekend job. I'm trying. So anyway, if you would do me a big favor, if you like this video, there's a big freaking bee or something just came in here. Oh geez. All right. I guess that's what you get for working outside when you do these videos. You get mowers and bees and flies. Anyway, if you like this video, go ahead and subscribe, hit that notification bell, share this thing, like it, do whatever you can, help me out. Also go follow me on Instagram at NewBQ2020, go follow me on Facebook at NewBQ2020, and we'll see you guys next time on another episode of NewBQ Backyard Barbecue and Grilling. Peace out.